So you want men to truly value you, huh? The world tells you it's all about grand gestures, constant texting, and being available 24/7, but spoiler alert, that's a fast track to emotional burnout. Instead, what you actually become is someone who's exhausted and undervalued. But hey, on the bright side, when you master these 10 silent actions, you'll have men eating out of the palm of your hand without even trying. If you haven't guessed by the title, making men value you isn't about changing who you are or playing mind games. If you compare yourself to every other relationship advice out there, you're actually holding all the power. When women like you and me decide to take control, it means setting boundaries, exuding confidence, and subtly showcasing your worth without saying a word. The problem is, most advice on the internet is so generic and outdated that following it makes you feel like you need a relationship degree to get anywhere. Instead, if you focus on specific actionable steps that you can implement right now, like mastering the art of silent communication and strategic vulnerability, you'll see a dramatic shift. These aren't just fluff tips from a Pinterest board copied and pasted from a 2010 blog post. These are real, effective strategies that empower you to be the woman who's respected, desired, and genuinely valued. So let's dive into the 10 silent actions that will make men value you more than ever before, without you having to say a single word. Number 1, never chase, always attract. First up, never chase, always attract. Sounds simple, but it's a game changer. When you chase, you're signaling neediness, and trust me, no one wants that. Why it matters. Chasing makes you appear desperate, which can be a major turn-off. Instead, by attracting, you position yourself as someone with her own life and interests, making you inherently more desirable. How to implement. Be selective. Don't respond to every message instantly. Take your time to reply thoughtfully. Maintain your schedule, keep up with your activities and hobbies. Let him see that you have a fulfilling life outside the relationship. Create intrigue. Share snippets of your life that pique his interest without revealing everything at once. Example, instead of texting him non-stop to see where things stand, focus on your own weekend plans. When you do reach out, he'll appreciate your independence and look forward to hearing from you. Number 2, maintain your independence. Next, independence. Keep up with your hobbies, friendships, and personal goals. When you're thriving on your own, it's magnetic. Men respect women who have their own lives and passions. Why it matters. Independence signals self-sufficiency and confidence. It shows that your happiness isn't solely dependent on him, which can make him appreciate the time you do spend together even more. How to implement. Pursue personal interests. Whether it's painting, hiking, or coding, engage in activities that you love. Nurture friendships. Maintain strong relationships with your friends and family outside of the relationship. Set personal goals. Have clear personal and professional goals that you're actively working towards. Example, instead of cancelling your weekend plans to accommodate every one of his requests, maintain a balance by scheduling regular time for your own activities. Number 3, practice strategic vulnerability. Vulnerability can be a game changer when done right. Share your feelings and experiences in a way that invites intimacy without oversharing. It creates a safe space for both of you to connect on a deeper level, fostering mutual respect and understanding. Why it matters. Strategic vulnerability builds emotional intimacy and trust. It allows both partners to feel safe in sharing their true selves without fear of judgment. How to implement. Share selectively. Open up about significant feelings and experiences rather than every little detail. Balance sharing and listening. Encourage a two-way exchange where both partners share and listen. Be authentic. Express your genuine emotions and thoughts without pretense. Example, instead of saying, "I'm so stressed all the time," try, "I've been feeling overwhelmed with work lately and would love your support." Number 4, exude positive body language. Your body language speaks volumes. Smile, make eye contact, and use open gestures. Positive body language makes you approachable and creates a welcoming environment. Why it matters. Non-verbal cues can enhance communication and convey emotions more effectively than words. They help create a positive and engaging atmosphere. How to implement. Smile. Genuinely. A sincere smile can make you appear friendly and approachable. Maintain eye contact. It shows attentiveness and interest in the conversation. Open gestures. Avoid crossing your arms and use gestures that indicate openness and receptivity. Example: when he's sharing a story, lean in slightly and nod to show that you're fully engaged and interested. Number 5. Master non-verbal communication. Non-verbal cues can convey more than words ever could. Mastering this art can significantly enhance your connection. Why it matters. Body language, facial expressions, and other non-verbal signals create a deeper, more intimate connection without uttering a single word. How to implement. Maintain eye contact shows attentiveness and interest. Use open body language. Avoid crossing arms. Instead, lean in slightly to show engagement. Mirror his movements. Subtly mimicking his gestures can create a sense of harmony and understanding. Example: when he shares something important, maintaining eye contact and nodding affirmatively shows that you're fully present and invested in the conversation. Number 6. Be emotionally available without being needy. Emotional availability is key, but there's a fine line between being open and being needy. Share your emotions and be supportive, but also give him space to do the same. It creates a balanced dynamic where both partners feel valued and respected. Why it matters. Balancing emotional availability prevents dependency and fosters mutual support, ensuring that both partners feel secure and appreciated. How to implement. Express your feelings. Share your emotions honestly without overwhelming him. Encourage his openness. Create a safe space for him to share his feelings without pressure. Maintain personal space. Respect each other's need for alone time and individual activities. Example: instead of constantly seeking reassurance, express your feelings when necessary and trust that he will be there to support you. Number 7. Maintain a sense of mystery. Keeping a bit of mystery keeps things exciting and prevents the relationship from becoming stagnant. Why it matters. A sense of mystery fosters curiosity and continuous interest, ensuring that the relationship remains dynamic and engaging. How to implement or share gradually. Reveal your thoughts and feelings in layers, not all at once. Pursue new interests. Continuously seek out new hobbies and experiences that add depth to your personality. Keep some private. Maintain certain aspects of your life private to preserve individuality. Example: instead of sharing every detail about your day, occasionally hint at exciting plans or new interests, keeping him intrigued and wanting to learn more about you. Number 8. Know your worth like a rare gem. Next, know your worth like a rare gem. You are invaluable, and recognizing that is the first step to making others see it too. Why it matters. Understanding your value prevents you from settling for less than you deserve. It also boosts your confidence, which is incredibly attractive. How to implement self-reflection. Regularly assess your strengths and what you bring to the table. Set standards. Define what you want and need in a relationship, and don't compromise on those essentials. Celebrate yourself. Acknowledge your achievements and qualities, no matter how small. Example: if a guy doesn't respect your time or boundaries, you recognize that's not acceptable and move on rather than settling for disrespect. Number 9. Demonstrate genuine interest in his life. Show genuine interest in his passions, dreams, and daily experiences. Ask questions, remember details, and engage in his interests without losing sight of your own. It shows that you care deeply about him as an individual, enhancing his appreciation for you. Why it matters. Taking an active interest in his life reinforces your connection and shows that you value him beyond surface-level interactions. How to implement. Ask meaningful questions. Inquire about his goals, interests, and experiences. Remember details. Bring up things he's mentioned before to show that you're paying attention. Engage in his interests. Participate in activities he enjoys, even if they're not your favorite. Example: if he loves cooking, ask him about his latest culinary experiments or offer to cook a meal together. Number 10. Cultivate confidence. Confidence is silent but powerful. Stand tall, speak clearly, and embrace your strengths. You don't need to broadcast your achievements or constantly seek validation. When you believe in yourself, it naturally draws others in and makes them value your presence more. Why it matters. Confidence is attractive because it conveys self-respect and assurance. It helps establish a balanced dynamic where both partners feel empowered. How to implement a positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with affirmations that highlight your strengths. Body language. Maintain good posture, make eye contact, and use purposeful gestures. Skill development. Continuously improve your skills and knowledge in areas that interest you. Example, instead of saying, "I'm not sure if I can do this," say, "I'm confident I can handle this challenge." Conclusion, and there you have it. 10 silent actions that will make men value you more without you having to say a single word. Remember, it's not about playing games or changing who you are. It's about enhancing the incredible woman you already are by focusing on these subtle yet powerful strategies. Implement these steps and watch how your relationships transform. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to fund the next video, where we dive even deeper into building meaningful, respectful, and fulfilling relationships. Until next time, stay confident, stay independent, and most importantly, stay true to yourself.